a post you like on X and you decide that maybe you are not ready to read that right now, you want to come back and read it later on, this is how you can actually save a post or get to remember the post to come back for it. Now, you open your X. Let's assume this particular post right here. Let's say I'm interested in looking at this post or reading this post later on. Now, what you need to do is to click on this area right here where you have this, let's say, a ribbon icon. You click on that. Now, when you click on it, you notice it says it has bookmark. Now, where you find your bookmark is you click on your profile area or profile icon. Now you see where it says bookmark. You click on the bookmark and now you are going to click on all bookmark to see all of the bookmark you have. There are even more posts that have actually bookmark. Now this particular one, you can always click on it to have to read it or to have to go through it again, or you can just scroll down to see other bookmark you have and you can always click on it to go through it whenever you want to. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, smash like, subscribe, turn on the notification for more video. See you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.